Gadget and Chainsaw, raise your hand for the judges. West Coast Militia, raise your hand for the judges. We got DJ queuing up right now.
But what about you in the world today? And what do you say?
Yo, you checking out grocery list over there. Men's checking out grocery list.
A little at a time, always in it fast. I'm going to cry. How about that thing that you really want to do? What are you doing? To make it come true. How did you get that hole in your shoe? By looking for a job. You know what's there. And that welfare check that came today. Did it help your need or increase your dream?
Yeah, my chance. Cash been good. You went to the bank. They found out you could.
They mixed up all the figures and you didn't even know it. Because you didn't use your head. And it really made you bluff. But nowadays here, that's what I think.
And if you're still jiving and doing nothing, then you ain't worth a
Shut your mouth.
thing. But what about you? Who? Me? In the world today?
I'm okay.
I tell you, say, when you start to pray, you look the line.
Sure I am.
A little at a time,
Well,
always with that. I don't
I ain't no time for
What
crime.
about that thing
What thing?
that you really want to do?
I changed my mind.
What are you doing?
Me?
To make it come true.
I ain't doing nothing. I ain't gonna do nothing. And I'm tired of wearing my shoes out, looking for a job, prime job that you and me both know wasn't there, no how. So get off my back.
What about that chance
What chance?
that you had to make good?
What are you talking about?
When you went to the bank
What thing?
and they found out you could.
Oh yeah.
They mixed up all the things.
You tried.
And you didn't even know it.
Sure didn't.
But you didn't use your head.
What you talking about right
And
here?
it really made you blow
I'm
out.
going down there now.
Now,
Here's what day?
what's the wild thing?
I can dig it.
And if you're still jiving
I ain't jiving.
and doing nothing,
I'ma do something.
then you ain't worth a
Be cool now.
thing.
Alright. I'm getting myself together. I'm getting my own business. Make a whole lot of money.
Come on, give it up.
Hey,
You're here.